Om Shanti, very good morning. Today we will go through English Murli, that is 21st February 2021, and the revised Abhyakt Murli date is 6th November 1987. Baba is telling the way to become a constant server is to do four types of service. The way to become a constant server is to do four types of service. चार प्रकार का सेवा करने वाले ही चारों प्रकार का सेवा करने वाले ही निरंतर सेवाधारी है। निरंतर सेवाधारी बनने का साधन है चार प्रकार का सेवा। और क्या क्या सेवा है विस्तार में सुनेंगे। टुडे द वर्ल्ड बेनिफैक्टर, वर्ल्ड सर्वर Father is looking at all his cooperative world server children. To what extent is each child, as well as being a constant easy yogi, a constant server in your Brahmin life, the balance of both remembrance and service makes you constantly worthy of receiving blessing from Bab Dada and all the elevated Brahmin souls. It is only at this confluence age and in this Brahmin life that you can receive blessing from God and the Brahmin family. This is why in this short life you easily receive all attainment for all time. This confluence age can be called the special age of blessing, and this is why this age is also called the great age. On the basis of every elevated action and every elevated thought, the Father himself constantly continued to give blessing from his heart to every Brahmin child. This Brahmin life is a life in which you grow with the sustenance of blessing from God. With an open heart, the Father, the innocent Lord, is giving you children apron filled with all blessing. However, the basis of receiving all of these blessings is the balance of remembrance and service. If you are a constant yogi, you are also a constant server. Does the importance of service always stay in your intellect? Baba is asking, does the importance of service always stay in your intellect? Some children think that only when they get a chance, the means or the time to do service, will they do service. However, just as Babdada enables you to experience remembrance constantly and easily, in the same way, service also can be done constantly and easily. So today, Bab Dada was looking at the chart of service of the server children. Until you become a constant server, you cannot become experienced in receiving blessings all the time. For instance, when you do service according to the time, according to the chance, or according to the program, then as a result of that service, you receive success and blessing from the Father and the family. But that is not for all time. Therefore, because of receiving those blessings, you sometimes experience easy progress in yourself and service. However, at other times, because there is not the balance of constant remembrance and service, you experience success after having labored it. Today, Baba is telling you how you can become a constant server and the importance of that service. Throughout the day, you can do many different type of service. In that, the first service is of oneself. That is always pay attention to yourselves in becoming complete and perfect. You have to make yourself pass with honor in all the men for subjects. You have to become an embodiment of knowledge and an embodiment of remembrance and an embodiment of dharana. You have to make the complete in everything. Let the service of the self always be in your intellect. The service of the self automatically enables you to serve through our perfect form. However, the method for that is to paying attention and checking. You have to check yourself, not others. The second is world service, which you do in various ways and with various methods, through words and through relationship and connection. You know all of this very well. The third is service of the yajna, which you do with your body and with your money. The fourth service is with your mind. Wherever you like, you can serve many souls with your pure feelings, elevated wishes, elevated attitudes, and elevated vibrations. The way to do this is to become a light and might house. From one place, a lighthouse serves far, far away. In the same way, from one place you can become instrument to serve many. If you have accumulated so many treasures of the powers, you can do this easily. There is no problem about getting physical facilities, but the chance or the time for this you simply need to be full of light and might. Let the mind and intellect always be free from waste thoughts. Let these easily be embodiment of the mantra Manmana Bhav. Can all these four types of service not make you a constant server? Having all four types of service, you can continue to do any type of service at every moment, and you will easily become a constant server. And because of being constantly occupied in doing service, because of remaining constantly busy, you will easily become a conqueror of Maya. Out of all the four type of service, do whatever service you can at whatever time, but do not deprive yourself of doing service for for even a second. You have to be a server for all 24 hours. You are not a yogi or you are a server for just 8 hours, but a constant server. Because of their bodies or because of not having time, some children think that they are unable to do service. However, out of all the four types of service, if you always remain busy in any kind of service, as is it appropriate, you accumulate marks in the subject of service, and these marks will be added to your final result. Just as marks are accumulated for those who serve with words in the same way, service of the yajna, service of the self, and service with the mind also have just as much importance, and you will accumulate just as much from any of those. There is the same amount of mark for every type of service. However, those who do all four type of service accumulate that many marks. Those who only do one or two type of service accumulate marks accordingly. Even then, if you are unable to do all four type of service but are only able to do two type of service, then you can also be a constant server. Today blessing. While you are receiving the blessing, visualize that Bapdada's blessed hand is above your head and you are receiving the blessing. May you be an image that grants blessing and is especially loved by everyone because of your speciality of contentment and your greatness. May you be an image that grants blessing and is especially loved by everyone because of your speciality of contentment and your greatness. Only those who always remain content with themselves and with others can become especially loved. Deities and part of the special 80 deities call it the biggest virtue of all, a donation, a speciality of greatness that is contentment. Only contented souls are loved by God, loved by people, and loved by themselves. Such contented souls are well known as souls who grant blessing. Now, in the final moment, even more than through the form of a great donor, more service will take place through the form of one who grant blessing. Today's slogan: A victorious jewel is one who constantly has a tilak of victory sparkling on his forehead. A victorious jewel is one who constantly has a tilak of victory sparkling on his forehead. विजयी रत्न वही है जिसके मस्तक पर सदा विजय तिलक चमकता हो. ओम शांति. हैव ए गुड डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू.